Welcome back. In this video, we'll tour your billing dashboard, where you manage your plan, check your renewal date, and download invoices. Open Settings in the sidebar, then Billing. You'll see two tabs, Plan and Billing and Usage and Limits. We'll stay on Plan and Billing for now. At the top is your current plan card. It shows your plan name and price, the features included, and the billing period you're currently in. The status badge tells you where things stand. Active means you're all set and it'll renew on the date shown. Trial means you're still trying it out, and canceled means it won't renew, with the end date right there. To move up or down, click Change Plan. This opens a grid of every plan, with a current plan badge marking the one you're on, so it's clear what you'd be switching from. If you ever need to stop, Cancel Plan ends your subscription. It asks you to confirm first, and you keep access until the period is up. Changed your mind? Resume Plan brings it right back. That's your billing dashboard, your plan, your status, and every invoice in one place. Next, we'll look at the Usage and Limits tab to see how much of your plan you're using.